Hey everybody, there's some special steps for getting this week's homework to work. I've updated the file for this quarter to make the homework problems, I think they're better problems. So rather than using mylinked1, which is what I've done in the past, we're going to use a new set of homework. It's called mylinked0. The only bummer is it wasn't in the Eclipse folder that you downloaded earlier, so you're going to have to download it now. It's not difficult to do. So what I want you to do is just look at the homework page, and you can see I've got this link here. So you're going to download the source file. Lots of ways to do it. You can just click on it. There it is. But the easiest thing to do is to probably right-click in your browser and then to save the link. Right? So it'll save that as a Java file. Sometimes browsers try to put a text extension or something like on there. If your browser's trying to do that, don't let it remove that text extension. Just download it as a Java file. Then you're going to switch over to the Finder or the Windows Explorer and find it in your Downloads folder. And now we're going to drag that into Eclipse. So what I'm going to do is drag that into this folder or package. It's the hw3 folder. You can open up it if you like, that's fine. And what you're going to do is just take that, drag it, and drop it here. Okay, so, I see, I need to be on top of the package in order for that to work. So there it is, and you're going to say copy the file. I've already got one, so I'll say overwrite it, that's fine. And there we go, I've got the file. Okay, so that's how you get the file into Eclipse. One thing while we're doing this, I'll just point out that there's been some difficulties with some Mac users just because of updates to Homebrew that I hadn't quite totally understood prior to giving you guys the zip file. And so some of you may have a problem, which is that the trace software I've given you is producing GV files rather than PNG files. And you can fix that in a real similar way, which is just download this trace file. So save that. And then drag it over to the standard lib. So the standard lib here is this folder. You should have it somewhere. Just drag it there, drop it, and you're going to copy and again overwrite. So that's what you want, and that should fix the problem. If that's not working for you, you don't want to do it. You can also just do this, which is whenever you run. Whenever you see trace.run in a file, you can prepend that or put this little bit first. And all this is doing is telling the trace program where to find the graphiz.program. That's what it uses to draw the pictures based on some textual input that I generate. Okay? So with that, you should be all set for doing the homework. Good luck.